Hey guys, Pat Boy here. So we got Bombshell, Mini Cooper S Works, the Vietnam Challenge, Mazda RX-8, another Bombshell, Fiat 500, and the Burgering Challenge and Nissan GTR. I'm really hoping I get another super rare from this amount here. If it is 2 boxes worth, it should be at least one more super rare. Well, it should be one more super rare, sorry, just one more. If they are legitimate 2 box openings here. So we've got the Bombshell, the Nissan 350Z Toyota pickup truck, Veyron vs Plane Challenge, Renault Clio Sport V6, another Bombshell, I think it's a new one, I haven't seen that one yet, I don't think. Honda Civic Type R and Jeremy Clarkson. Renault, Big Truck Challenge, Jaguar XKR, Bombshell, Noble M12, Car Bobsleigh Challenge, the 500 Abarth, and the Hilux. So the Honda Civic, Bombshell, Ford Shelby, Vietnam Challenge, Vauxhall Astra, Bombshell, Porsche 911 Turbo and a McLaren. Last 4 packs. So thanks for watching these videos guys. I do have some better videos coming up soon with better quality. Better cards, well more known cards. So we've got the Mini Ski Jump Challenge, the Porsche Cayman S, Alfa Romeo 8C, Bombshell, Fiat Panda, Car Bobsleigh Challenge, Alfa Romeo, and an R500. Let's get another super rare here. So we've got a Bombshell, Honda Civic Type R, Caravan Jumping Challenge, Ford Shelby GT500, Bombshell, Vauxhall Astra, Suzuki Ice Hockey, and the Hilux. Not looking good, guys. Oh, opened it properly that time. Mitsubishi Evo X, Citroen C4 VTS, Caravan Jumping Challenge, Aston Martin DBS, Bombshell, Renault Megane Sport, Big Truck Challenge, and another McLaren. I'm not really happy right now. It's best be another super rare in here, or the guy who sent me it obviously hasn't gave me a legitimate 2 box worth, because if it says 1 in every 24 packs, they're not going to put 1 into another box. So yeah, I'm just reading, sorry. If it's not in here, I'm going to have a word with him, definitely. Let's have a look. It feels alright, I don't know. It doesn't mean anything though, does it? I'm just hoping right now. Car vs Bobsleigh Challenge, Fiat 500 Abarth, Toyota Pickup Challenge, Toyota Pickup Truck, Bombshell, Renault Clio, Toyota Truck Challenge, nope, Honda Civic and the R500. I'm just going to make sure I didn't drop any cards or any packs, but I doubt it. Sorry guys, I'm not very happy right now guys, I'm not upset, like, just annoyed. It doesn't look like it though. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Maybe it's not guaranteed, I don't know. But anyway, I'm not too bothered guys, thanks for watching. I'm quite happy with this, I don't know how much it's worth. I thought it was a real Sub-Zero at first, I was like, oh my god. But I'm sure to put that in the second parts video, after the Stig pull, it'll draw people in. If you're one of the people I drawed in from that though, I'm very sorry. So yeah, all these rares, Stig super rare. Oh yeah, oops daisy. And all these commons. It's quite cool. 20 quid's worth of cards here. You see how many who stack up without it falling down here. Doubt it's going to fall actually. The only reason the packs fell is because the cards weren't really like stacked up properly, were they? Yeah, I just mixed the promo rares with the commons. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Thank you indeed. Thank you guys. Wow. Yeah. See you guys. Bye bye.